The Sweet World of Candy. Introduction. Candy, also known as sweets in the UK, is a delightful part of many cultures around the world. From chocolate bars to jelly beans, there is a wide variety of sweets that bring joy to people of all ages. This video will take you on a sweet journey, exploring different types of candy, their history, and why they are so loved. 1. What is candy? Candy is a term used for food items that are rich in sugar. They are often eaten as a treat or for special occasions. Candies come in many shapes, sizes, colors, and flavors. The main ingredient in most candy is sugar, which is combined with other ingredients to create different textures and tastes. 2. Types of candy. There are many types of candy, each with its unique flavor and texture. Some popular types include chocolate, made from cocoa beans. Chocolate is a favorite worldwide. It can be dark, milk, or white, and often contains nuts, fruits, or caramel. Gummies. These are soft, chewy candies made from gelatin and come in various shapes like bears, worms, and fruits. Hard candy. These candies are solid and sugary, such as lollipops and lemon drops. They dissolve slowly in the mouth. Chewy candy. Examples include toffees and caramels, which are soft and sticky. Licorice, a chewy candy that is flavored with the extract of the licorice plant. It is usually black or red. 3. History of candy. The history of candy dates back thousands of years. Ancient people in Egypt, China, and Greece made candies using honey, fruits, and nuts. In the Middle Ages, sugar became more widely available in Europe and candy making became an art. By the 19th century, with the Industrial Revolution, candies were produced in large quantities and became more affordable. 4. Candy around the world. Candy varies greatly from one country to another. For example, in the UK, chocolate bars like Cadbury are very popular. In the USA, people love their Hershey's bars and jelly beans. In Japan, unique flavors like green tea and sweet potato are common in candies. 5. Making candy cease. Making candy can be a fun activity. Many candies, like fudge and toffees, can be made at home with basic ingredients like sugar, butter, and milk. The process often involves boiling the ingredients and then cooling them to form the candy. 6. Candy and culture. Candy plays a significant role in various cultural traditions. For instance, in the UK, people eat sweets like bonfire toffee during bonfire night. In the USA, Halloween is a time when children go trick-or-treating for candy. 7. Health and candy. While candy is delicious, it is high in sugar and should be eaten in moderation. Too much sugar can lead to health problems like tooth decay and obesity. It's important to balance the love for sweets with a healthy diet. 8. The joy of candy. Despite the health concerns, candy remains a source of happiness and nostalgia for many. It brings back childhood memories and is associated with celebrations and happy moments. Conclusion: the candy, with its rich history, variety, and cultural significance, is a small treat that brings big joy. Whether it's the rich taste of chocolate or the chewy delight of gummies, there is something for everyone in the world of sweets. Remember to enjoy candy responsibly and cherish the sweet moments it brings to your life.